We have another NS train, and he's heading this way. I think it's going to be ES44DC. ES44DC 7670. Yes! And higher GP50 4150. It's manifest folks. Yes! Missouri Pacific! Specialty loaded rails. TTX. Brand new cars. Southern. Yes! He's heading into Lambert Point. He's going about 35, 40 miles an hour. 42, 520 showing graffiti. Black NS Hopper. 32079. Conrail. Yes, triple. So the Southern car, TILS, Trinity Industries Leasing, General American Transit, Corporation, GATX, MBKS, we don't know. UTLS, you take our leasing. Oh yes, sewer pipes. NS boxcar, waffle style with a lot of lumber. Canadian National Equipment. SRX, we don't know. SHPX, we don't know. Former Norfolk and Western. And TILS Trinity Industries Hopper number 62166. And that will wrap it up for this ES44 and GP50 last shot. He blew the horn. That's a great sign. We'll see you guys on the next train. Alright, see you guys later. Remember, NS, one line, indefinite possibilities.